collaboration between Sporty and Rich and Adidas returns with a new Samba release, blending heritage design and contemporary sportswear appeal. Arriving on August 25, 2025, through Adidas.com, the sneaker maintains the classic Samba DNA with crisp white leather, beige suede overlays, and gum soles, while introducing Sporty and Rich's signature details. Gold foil text, dual-branded tongue tags, and navy and green 3-stripes ribbons give the pair a premium, polished look, complemented by green heel tabs for contrast. Positioned just ahead of the US Open and Summer 2025's close, the launch hints at a larger tennis-inspired capsule that aligns with the seasonal calendar. Although the full collection remains under wraps, the timing and design reinforce both brands' shared commitment to performance-driven style and timeless aesthetics. Ultimately, the drop strengthens Sporty and Rich's growing role in fashion while keeping Adidas' legacy at the forefront.